Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews with another tip for you. So I wanted to show you how I do kind of some mobile studio printing. It's not too professional, but it's enough for when you're doing some photos and somebody wants a proof of the photo right away. I'm going to be able to do my SLR camera. My SLR camera is going to go to the insignia to my phone like I showed you in a previous video. And then from there, from the phone, I'm going to actually print it out. And we're going to see how long everything takes. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our camera. We're going to imagine that we're taking a photo of a plant. So let's go ahead and take a photo of a plant. Okay, so here's our plant. So we've taken the photo. We're going to go ahead and take out the SD card, put it in our reader here. Fire up the old phone. This is a Samsung 7 as a matter of fact. And as soon as I plug it in, it comes up. We're going to go to my files. Here's the USB storage right here. We're going to go to the DCM. We're going to go to the one that has all the photos on it, obviously. And here's our photo. So we're going to press and hold, and then we're going to say move. And we're going to move it to the SD card on the phone. Let's say raw from camera. Done. That didn't take too long. Then once we're done with the SD card part of our situation. I always put my SD card right back into the camera. And now that we have it here, we're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to open it up in, now I have Lightroom Mobile. Now if you don't have Lightroom Mobile, you can just use Photos or something like that. So now that we have it in here, we're going to go ahead and go to our photo gallery. And comes up as new. We're going to click on it. Let's go ahead and crop it out. So we're going to go to, let's just go ahead and make it like this. Maybe crop it out like that, perhaps. Oops. There you go. That looks okay to me. Okay, so let's just crop it like this, maybe a little closer here. And then we're going to go and do some automatic here. And it did a pretty good job of kind of helping out. I'm going to say save. Okay, so now the image is saved. We're going to turn on our Polaroid here. So you just hold the on button until it blinks. Then we're going to go to the Polaroid program. And it shows right up. Here's the latest one we took. If we wanted to edit the photo, we can edit it here also. There's some limited editing functions, but of course I wouldn't edit it that way. Look how fast we were able to edit it. As a matter of fact, I have a little bar here that I want to erase. So let's go ahead and actually it doesn't let me. Let's see here. Let's see, does it have a cropping area here? Oh, I think to crop, it's simply, we're going to do this, and then we just kind of bring it out this way. So that's how you do a simple crop. You just blow it up just like that. And now this is what I want. So you click next. This is what I'm going to get. Click print. And there we have it. Now this connects to this Bluetooth. And as you can see, there's no ink. It does some sort of thermal printing. And just like that, without any computer, we were able to print a nice smudge-proof printer, a smudge-proof print, and it's nice and glossy. And we were able to do that in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a wonderful day.